Hello, Tabassum.
Hi sir,
How are you?
I'm fine and you?
I'm fine too. What's your full name?
My full name is Tabassum Arabi Tahia.
Nice name. Today is your speaking session. I will ask you some question what you have learned in the last month. So you have to answer all these questions. So do you feel nervous? Okay, very good. Then my first question is how many beavers are there in English?
There are 10 beavers in English.
What are they?
Present tense and is are, past tense was were, future tense shall be, will be, others be, been be. I am Tabassum. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. My younger brother is a student and my elder brother is a student. My younger sister is a student and my elder sister is a doctor. My uncle is a businessman and my aunt is a housewife. My grandfather is a businessman.
Okay, nice. Then, can you introduce to yourself?
I'm Tabassum. I'm 10 years old. I'm come from Munshiganj. I'm Bangladeshi and live in a city called Dhaka. There are 4 people in my family. My father, my mother, my brother and me. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. I'm still at school. I've been studying English for 5 years.
Okay. Then what time do you get up?
I get up at 6 a.m.
When do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7 a.m.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 a.m.
When do you return home?
I return home at 12:30 a.m.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 10 p.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
11?
11 p.m.
Okay, then can you say 26 letters like A, B, C correctly in correct pronunciation?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z or Z.
Okay, how many seconds are there in 1 minute?
There are 60 seconds in 1 minute.
How many minutes are there in 1 hour?
There are 60 minutes in an hour.
Nice. How many hours are there in a day?
There are 24 hours in a day.
There are
24 hours in a day.
in a day. So by using beaver, we can talk about your personality, right? So can you say your family members' personality by using beaver?
This is Tabassum. I'm honest. My father is hardworking and my mother is friendly. My brother is witty and my sister is friendly. My uncle is hardworking and my aunt is friendly. My grandfather is funny and my grandmother is honest.
Nice. Can you say about the pop sound? Like what will be the letter?
The sound is P, the letter is P, and the tongue twister is Polly put purple paint in the pool.
Do you know the top sound?
The sound is top, the letter is T, and the tongue twister is teacher told me a teacher, the teacher a typical topic.
You have learned a format. Can you say these 2 sentences with Bangla meaning?
I did, আমি করেছিলাম, I didn't do, আমি করিনি. I came, আমি এসেছিলাম, I didn't come, আমি আসিনি. I went, আমি গিয়েছিলাম, I didn't go, আমি যাইনি.
Nice. You did good. You did awesome.